Welcome to AppStarPress. How and why to use default values in React components. I have this app.jsx file that is using this child component. Values are being passed down to this child component here. These values are being received here in child component, but some of these have default values such as muted, loop, autoplay, full screen, overlay top, offset. We can also use default values in JSX like this. Here in case component does not receive video poster value, it can use another value from default img. Double pipe is being used to separate two values here. If video player value will not be found, default img will be used. Default values have various benefits. Default prop values in React components are used to provide fallback values for props that have not been passed from the parent component. This ensures that the component behaves correctly and predictably. Even if some props are omitted in its usage, default props ensure that your component has all the necessary values it needs for execution. This is particularly useful for properties that control behavior or appearance, ensuring the component can still function even if some values are not provided. Setting defaults can make your code cleaner and easier to understand as it provides immediate context on what values a component will use if none are provided. It also helps during maintenance as developers can quickly see the default behavior of the component without tracing where the props are passed from. By providing default values, you can prevent bugs that might occur due to undefined or null values. In case component needs input from user and user ignores the input, component will still function by using default props. Here the component will use these defaults unless different values are explicitly provided by the parent component. This is also helpful in complex apps where components are reused in multiple places with slightly different configuration. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.